Hello, welcome to part A for the snake game on Java. So in this part, I will show you increase the snake body to more longer and then update the food and to make the snake eat the food. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so the first for the tail here, I will copy this to the change the position to the bottom right out here, and so okay, go to here, right, and here I will check if the snake size bigger than 4. I will increase the snake body in the first time we go to the game, right? So the first time we need to init the snake body from the 0 to the long the length is 4, and the right, go to the increase. Right, so go to the constructor and remove some here and remove this again, call the reset game, and go to here, create a method name reset game, and here I will alright for the board, yes, the board I will clear. Right, so we will go to the board panel and create a write method name clear board, and just your loop for the array, the array, right, what the array for tile equals 0, beginning from 0 and less than the tiles size. Sorry, I already will use length, and increase and set the tile cool no. Alright, and go to the snake in the reset game, call about clear and write and create a snake. We will clear the snake, and then I will use a point for the new head, call new point board panel count. We will create the snake head beginning from the middle and the center of the board. Count divided by 2, and then snake head, the new head. Alright, and also in the board we will set tile from new head for the snake head. Alright, and the direction we will clear, and at the default direction from the beginning is right, the direction up. And for the logit timer we will reset. So what the reset method do, so in the reset we just set the elapsed cycle of equal 0 and the set cycles equal 0. So all the status of the clock just the same when we first create the object of the clock here, the same. Okay, so here after we slash we can store the fruit, so we will do this later. Alright, so for reset game, alright, we call reset game here. Right, let's run it. There's something wrong here. Alright, I need to call this after I create the new board panel, because if we do it before do it first we can get a null point exception. Right, we will do it in the start game. Alright, here. So let's run it. Alright. Sorry. Need to after the logit timer. Right, what happened? Import exception folder. Alright, so I found the problem. We need to remove the tail of a snake. After we need to remove. Alright, for here. Alright, so in here is correct because because the tail just remove whenever we the size of the snake is greater than 4, and we will have another condition here for eating the fruit. Alright, so let's run it. Okay, so the snake now is alright. Okay, so right now we will write a method for spore the fruit. Right, so we will write public void spore fruit, and before that we need to define a random for random the position of the foot. Right in here, I will define the index for random. So this index will be the position of the foot. Both panel, cow, and multiple with panel, column, row, cow, and minus snake side. Alright, so why I use this here? So I write, and after that I will explain it to you. Okay, so for now, an in for free file equal -1, and then I will use a loop. The loop will go through all the elements of the matrix on the board. Yes. Although we use the single way array to for the matrix, but we can use the loop, the double loop for the matrix for this case. Right, and then I will get the type on the board by the board and get type tile, and here right, get type. Why? I'm sorry, we tile and get, oh sorry, here we need to change the prefix of the method to public. Right, and then right, so then we will check if type not null, and then we will check again if the free file. So we need to increase before we compare with the index. If it equal the index, free file, so free file, right, both set the tile for s with the tile type fruit. Alright, so now I will explain it to you. Pen. Alright, we have the single way array for the matrix, like I explained it to you before in the previous video. Right, so now here we can have some element that depending that are represent for the snake body or snake head, right? So you can see the element not nearly here. So there are some blank of the arrays that not the body and the head of the snake in between the the first and the end of the snake. So before we use the single array for the snake, so it's very easy to know, to understand. Okay, so we get the random with the index. Suppose we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 3 40. We have 40 element on the array, but the index we just net in from the bound with 11, because we take the 14 minus 4 3 here with the number of the body of the snake, and then we get the 11. Alright, so when we use the loop and we check the free file equal index, and before that we check if the type. Alright, so we go back to the code again. So here you can see the type with the type not null, we will increase the free file. So we need to make sure we must make sure that the free file always less than 11. Alright, so okay, so I think you can understand because it's very easy. So until the free file equal index, we met the definitely the destination of the result. Okay, yes, I think this is very easy to understand. Okay, so let's go back to here, and then we call the spore fruit here in the reset game. Right, and let's run it. There's something wrong here. Set here, let in and board, get site, alright, I'm sorry, I forgot to new the random, sorry. So let's run it again. Alright, so we have a fruit here. Let's eat it. Right, so we eat, but the snake is don't happen. Yes, nothing happen with the snake. Right, so we need to check like I said before in the update game. Alright, if here another condition here, we will check if, alright, before that we get the head new point here. Alright, so we have the head here, and we will check if alright, the head. Alright, need to define a type and old. equal the board get tile and with the parameter head x and head y, so we can get the head. Right, something wrong here. Tiger. Oh yes, I used it wrong here, so I will redefine the name. Yes, for alright, head type. So here I will check head type. Right, if it not tile type foot and alright, so if the head type not a foot, we will remove the last. Yes, but it not but if it is a fruit, so we no longer remove the last, and the snake will be longer. Okay, so let's run it. So we have here the snake with the length is 4, and now after eat the fruit. Right, so what happened here, I get a typo. So why head typo get time s y? Alright, I see the problem. Alright, because I set the head to the snake head before I check the tile at the of the head, so I need to change it here a little to after this code. Alright, so let's run it again. Alright, so now we have a longer snake. Right, so this video ends here because it's too long, and I will see you in the next video, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.